So hey, mini bike friends, just got back from Detroit. Went down to the swap meet today down on Grand River, and saw a lot of interesting builds. Had some great food, great music, and I'm going to show you some clips of it coming up. We got these 3 bikes right here ready for the summer. This bike here is going to be next. It's an MB200. I'm going to put my my new Wildcat engine on there, and we're just going to set it up pretty much stock just to get it rolling and running. And we'll be bringing this one to you on the bench very soon.